what we're gonna do, we got cucumber and we got ginger, we got lemon, and we're going to make a nice simple weight loss recipes which are gonna change a lot of people's life today. It is summer, all right? And through me know it is summer, this is what we're gonna do, all right? Yeah, now we got the blender, here it is, all right? And now what we're gonna do, to be honest with you guys, we're going to remove the skin from the cucumber, all right? Yeah. So we're gonna remove the skin from the cucumber. Yeah. So good vibes, all right? Yeah, so we're gonna move the skin from the cucumber. All right, now, once you do that, we're gonna put in the cucumber into the blender like this. So we're using half a cucumber, all right? Now we're gonna get a nice little piece of a ginger. Yeah. All right, this is the ginger. We're gonna put in the ginger inside of it. Lovely. Now, we're not gonna use too much lemon. We're gonna use a little bit of a lemon inside of it, all right? So this is the lemon. Just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it, roughly about half teaspoon of lemon juice. You can use lime if you like to, all right? Now, we got some of your favorite, which you're gonna also use, which is gonna be some fresh mint, all right? Yeah. So we're gonna put some fresh mint into it, like this, all right? Good vibes. We got, oh yeah, I'll find some more, because the mint is good, guys. Find a piece more mint, and I'll put that inside of it. So we got some parsley, which you're gonna be also use, all right? Yeah, we got a portion of parsley, which we're gonna also use inside of it. So we're gonna put that parsley inside of it. Remember to wash your parsley, it's important. All right, now, my advice for you is we're going to put one of our favorite inside of it. All right. We're gonna put a clove of garlic inside of it. This is a garlic, all right? But I got one more recipe. We need to get it. Yeah, I found it in the kitchen. All right. Lovely. So I just find what I'm looking for. So we're gonna put some celery inside of it. All right, that's the celery. I found it. Yeah, and after we do that, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put some water in there. You can use coconut milk, coconut water, but we're not gonna use that today, you know? we are doing a different way today. All right. Yeah. So we're going to use some coconut water, and it roughly about a cup of coconut water. No, sorry guys, bottled water. Sorry, not coconut water. Then, all right, make sure it's clean and nice. Just put on the lid. Wow. So look at that. We're gonna make some noise. Okay, that is lovely. All right, now, as you can see it for yourself, that looking lovely, guys, honestly. All right, so we're going to pour it out. Just like that, all right? So when I pour it out, what am I gonna do? Just gonna top it up with some more water to the top of it. So as you can see, all right, that looking fantastic. So you can drink that first thing in the morning, all right? Honestly, powerful drink. Yeah, that looking really amazing. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. This drink is something where I will encourage you guys to drink in the morning and in the evening, all right? So